welcome to our new learning. This time meron tayong new topic, which is itong paano basahin yung sanitary layout. And then before that, we have another parang mostly ma-encounter mo when you're reading the sanitary layout. First is itong water closet. So ito yung most commonly fixtures na included sa sanitary plan. Okay, ito yung water closet natin. And then this one is parang sample pa lang riser diagram. So ito yung kanyang magiging riser ng sewer line. Yung kulay blue is ito yung kanyang ventilation. Okay, so itong ventilation later on we can have that. Paano yung design, yung layout nito. And then also itong P-trap. So P-trap ginagamit siya to trap yung mga odor gases na galing sa dumi or sa waste or sa kitchen. And then this one we have a sample parang isometric view na rin to. So meron tayong lavatory, water closet, tsaka tong si washing machine. Okay, so ito yung kanyang soil stack. Okay, and then ito yung vent na naka-loop. Okay, and then ito yung main vent papunta dun sa roof. Okay, so to start with, we have a sample sanitary layout sa ground floor. And then meron din tayo sa second floor. But before that, we need to familiarize with the legend and symbols. When we see LEB, lavatory, we have kitchen sink, FD, floor drain, ceiling clean out, SB, stock vent, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, SS, soil stack, water closet, grease trap, we have floor clean out, septic tank, vent stack, ground clean out, saka vent stack through roof. So, kaya meron tong abbreviation para pag-design mo ng plano, hindi masyado overcrowded. But, naka-abbreviated. Okay, so again, we have a floor plan. So, meron tayong itong mga, we have fixtures, okay, common fixtures. We have ito, water closet, ito, dirty kitchen. Yung closet nila baliktaran. We have lavatory, we have closet, lavatory, water closet, saka yung FD meron tayong floor drain. Okay, for the second floor, yung fixtures natin is lavatory, water closet, ito, FD is floor drain, FCO is floor clean out, ito, water closet, FD, floor drain, FCO, saka lavatory. Okay, so before natin basahin, so mag-una tayo sa ground floor. So ang tanong is, sir, paano magbasa ng sanitary plan? Doon sa start portion o doon sa end? O doon ka sa end? Actually, it's up to you if mag-start ka from here, somewhere here. Okay, but for me, mas prefer ko yung mag-read ng plan dun sa mismong entry ng septic tank. So ito na yung septic tank natin. Dito yung pumunta yung mga dumi galing sa collected coming from the house. So and then yung overflow nya magta-tapping doon sa public sewer line o sa private. Okay, so from septic tank, so para makolekta mo to portion na to, so meron ka ditong piping. Okay? And then para makolekta itong portion na to, so gawa ka ng piping ulit. So para naka-Y, double Y. And then down to dito sa septic tank. And then itong dirty kitchen, para mo din to makolekta, so meron kang piping here. So and then tap to the septic tank. So itong portion na to, para ma-supplyan mo tong dirt kitchen. So yung dirt, yung waste niya collected ng pipe na to. Meron tayong 100 mm diameter na SP. SP is soil pipe. And then meron na siya sariling ventilation, 50 MMBP. Okay, and then ito na yung 50 MMBSTR, ito yung umakyat papunta ng second floor para sa kanyang ventilation. GCO is ground clean out. So yung if yung alam mo clean out is naka-embed sa soil or sa ground, ang tawag diyan is ground clean out. Pag sa floor, ang tawag is floor clean out, ito FCO. And then if itong junction na to is meron tayong 100 mm diameter na SS. Yung ating SS is yung soil stack. Ito, soil stack. So ito na yung magkolekta ng dumi coming from the second floor. Okay, so and then ito is dalawang closet collected by 100 mm SP soil pipe. And then yung floor din niya kasama na yung FD or floor din ng collected niya. And then merong FCO. In case na bumara, pwede mo na ditong sundutin. And then here is ground clean out. So in a change of direction, dapat meron kang sariling clean out. Okay? Ito din, ground clean out. Okay, in this upper portion, meron dalawang toilet and bath. So ground clean out here. And then ito is parang para mag-collecta nitong water closet sa lavatory. FD is ang floor drain. And then meron tayong itong linya na to is ito na yung ventilation, 50 mm vent pipe. Ito. And then yung vent niya is kanya-kanya, individual. Meron sa lavatory, sa closet, sa floor drain, sa here. And then itong portion na to is 100 mm soil pipe. Itong vent is 50 mm vent pipe. So yun yung ating sanitary layout sa ground floor. Okay, so clear na tayo sa ground floor. Let's proceed to the second floor, but again, ito yung riser natin. Ito portion ito. Ito yung riser natin. Tsaka yung bench top true roof. Okay, so and then ito na yung galing sa ground floor, soil stack. Ang term sa riser ng soil pipe is soil stack SS. Okay, so and then meron tayong parang crossmen, okay, para magkolekta nitong water closet, and then isang floor clean out, and then isang branches ulit to collect dito TNB, may sariling FCO or floor clean out. Okay, ito rin sa kabilang closet, and then meron ding floor clean out. So, yung ventilation, ito. So, ito yung galing ng ground floor. So, yung ventilation niya, ito is connected coming from here. Ito. So, nag-vent siya. Ito is common vent. Collected yung lavatory, dalawang closet, tsaka dalawang floor drain. And then siya na yung magra-riser papunta ng roof. Okay, so and then itong lavatory meron din sariling ventilation. Okay, so yun yung ganun yung layout ng ating ventilation. And then again, sige, kahit sa ground floor yung ating ventilation, we can draw that. Ito yung ating ventilation piping. Ito yung parang magiging layout niya sa ground floor. And then connected siya kanya-kanya. Okay. And then, from here, nag-top yung ventilation. Ito. And then, ito yung riser na pumunta ng roof. Okay, so yung ventilation at saka yung soil pipe, hindi sila dapat magkasabay pag sila kanya-kanyang layout sa plano. Okay, ganun yung design ng ventilation. Okay, so ganun yung paano basahin ang sanitary layout. Actually, hindi lang to basahin parang pwede rin paano gumawa ng sanitary layout. Parang yun din yung point natin dito. Okay, so I hope you learn with this short content sa ating paano basahin ang sanitary layout. Okay, so if you observe yung kanina, meron tayong soil stack, ito na yan. And then, itong kulay blue, ito na yung ventilation. And then, we have a floor, parang P-trap. And then, please subscribe para kayo updated sa mga videos na every time i-upload ko. Thank you.